Hello everyone, I am Nitin Cheke, the student of Risang Institute Pune, and my today's video topic is CFR, Title 21 of CFR, and the main regulations of European Union. So in this topic, I will discuss about what are the different laws governed by US FDA, what is CFR, what is the Title 21 of CFR, and which chapters are included in Title 21. In this video, I will also discuss about two main regulations of the European Union. So, the main regulatory authority of USA is US FDA, that is United States Food and Drug Administration. And US FDA is responsible for governing various laws and regulations. After the sulfonylamide tragedy in 1937, the Federal Food and Drug Cosmetic Act is come into existence in 1938. The sulfonylamide tragedy is mainly occurs because of the elixir sulfonylamide, which contained solvent diethylene glycol, and it was very poisonous. It causes the death of 100 people, and many of them were children. So, because of this tragedy, the Federal Food and Drug Cosmetic Act is come into existence in 1938. So, under this act, US FDA provided some guidelines for the pharmaceutical companies. The pharmaceutical companies should provide the evidences on the safety of the drug before the drug launching into the market or before getting approval of a drug. The US FDA also issues the standard for the identification and quality of the food. Then US FDA also inspect the pharmaceutical companies. Then in 1962, the second law is come into existence, that is the Kefauver-Harris Amendment Law, and this law is mainly come into existence because of a thalidomide tragedy that happened in 1961. In thalidomide tragedy, it is mainly occurs because of a drug thalidomide, and it was used in a pregnant woman as an anti-emetic drug. It causes the abnormalities in more than 10,000 of children. The thalidomide tragedy result into the disease named phocomelia in a pregnant woman, that is the birth defect in newborn child. So after the thalidomide tragedy, the Kefauver-Harris law is come into existence, and under this law the pharmaceutical company should provide the evidences on the efficacy of a drug before the drug launching into the market or before getting the approval, and these evidences should be based on a proper clinical trial studies. So the Kefauver-Harris law is mainly focused on a efficacy of a drug. Then when the US FDA create any regulation, that regulations are first that proposed regulations are first published into the Code of Federal Regulation. So for the public consultants, after the FDA review and the public consultancy of a public, the law is published by the FDA. So what is CFR? CFR is a Code of Federal Regulation. It is a codification of all general and permanent regulations in a federal register by the federal government of USA. So this law is bound of a court, means court in bound. The CFR consists of 15 titles, means there are 15 titles included in Code of Federal Regulation, out of which the Title 21 govern the laws for the Food and Drug Administration. So the Title 21 consists of 3 chapters. The first one is a Federal Food and Drug Cosmetic Act. The second one is a Drug Enforcement Agency, and third is the ONDP, that is Office for National Drug Control Agency, that is ONDA. So the Title 21 gives the various regulations. The regulations are coded in Title 21 as follows, that is 21 CFR 310-305, that is Title 21 of CFR Part 310 and Section 305. So there are various regulations such as 21 CFR 310-305. This is for the prescribed drug without approved application. Then 21 CFR 314-80. This regulation is mainly for drugs without approved, human drugs without approved INDA. Then there is a 21 CFR 314-98. This is a human products or human drugs without approved NDA. Then there is a 21 CFR 312-32, and this law indicates the investigational new drug safety report. Then there is another regulation 21 CFR 600.80. It is for the human biological products without approved biological licenses. Now we will discuss about European Union regulations. So the main regulatory agency of European Union is European Medicine Agency, and the European Medicine Agency gives certain regulations, and these regulations are to be followed by all the countries which are come under the European Union. So there are main two regulations given by the European Union. The first one is a EC number /720/2014. Sorry, it is not 2014. It is EC number /726/2004. And the second regulation is EU number /1235/2010. So these are the main two regulations given by the European Union. So in this video I have discussed about the laws given by the US FDA. We have also discussed about the CFR, Title 21 of CFR and its 3 chapters, and also learn about the two main regulations of the European Union. Thank you.